Hi everybody, my name is Anya with Paparazzi Jewelry, and today I have my friend Colter here to answer some questions for us. How you doing, Colter?
Great.
Awesome. So Colter, how do you make money selling paparazzi jewelry?
You buy the jewelry for $2.75 and then you sell it for $5.
Just like that?
Yep.
That sounds pretty easy. How many pieces of paparazzi are available at one time? Is it like one or two?
It's pretty much 1,000.
You think 1,000 at a time?
Yep.
That's not bad. And how often is there new pieces?
Pretty much every night.
Every night?
Uh-huh.
Brand new stuff?
Yep.
Hey, that's not too bad. Do you think paparazzi jewelry is easy to sell?
Yeah.
Okay, so how would you sell these earrings?
And they're only $5. And then they buy them.
Just like that?
Yep.
That sounds pretty easy to me. You think? Pretty easy?
Yep.
Awesome. Well, Colter, thanks for coming on this video and answering some questions for us. I think if an 11-year-old can figure it out, you can definitely figure it out, right?
Yep.
Okay, well, thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time.